Another important interview question is what is a flat map? So we make a use of Java stream flat map. This stream flat map method is used to flatten a stream of collections to a stream of objects. The objects are combined from all the collections in the original stream. And we can apply a one-to-many transformation to the elements of the stream, and then we can flatten the resulting elements into a new stream. Now let's see how to do it using the Java streams concept. So let's say that we have a class called as Flatmap demo. Let's create a Flatmap demo class. For that, I'm going to use this Visual Studio Code, and I'll write a program here. So in the src folder, just I'm going to create a file called flat map demo. Okay, now here I'm going to create a class flat map demo.java. Let's make it as flat map demo.java file. Now this is a Java file. Okay, flat map demo. I'm going to declare a main method here. So inside the main method, let's have a list which contains few students from section A, section B, and section C. So list of string, and I will create it as section A is equal to arrays dot as list method, and I'm going to define few students like Sita, Ram, Lakshman. Okay, these are the students from section A. And let's import this list. You can import this list. And list is part of which class? List is part of java.util package. So import java.util.star. Now let's create another list of string, and make it as section B is equal to arrays dot as list. I'm going to define few items here. So for example, Amar, next Akbar, next we will define Anthony. Okay, now in the list I'll create one more section, section C. Section C is equal to arrays dot as list Ram, Rahim, and Robert. Okay, now I'm going to add all these items to a another list, and we call it as list of string all students is equal to, we can write arrays dot as list, and I'll declare section A, section B, section C. I'm adding all the other list into this list. Now if I try to print this, let's see what is the output. So this arrays dot as list, this is nothing but I'm going to insert all the list of items here. Now if I create list directly, it will not make it. Okay, so I have to create list of list. So because this list is going to store the other list, right? So this is the best way to store a list of list into this item. Now I will make use of the flat map. This using this flat map, I'm going to combine all the items. So before using the flat map, let me run this. going to print using the system.out.println. I'm going to print all students list. All students. If you look at the all students list, if I try to run this program, you can see this is a list coming from section A, this is a list coming from section B, and this is a list coming from section C. I want to combine all this into one list. So I can use Flatmap for this purpose. For using the Flatmap, you can apply all students, all students, all students. We can use stream concept here, right? So stream dot, we can use Flatmap. Flatmap will take a function and it will combine all the elements from the list. So Flatmap will take a list as an argument. So Flatmap, for each item, I'm going to create a string from that items. So item dot string. Next, I'm going to collect all these elements. So dot collect to collectors dot to list. Now let's save this is in another list. I'll call it as list of string. This is flat map list is equal to, okay. Now I'm going to print that flat map list. So you can say flat map list. Now let's see the output. Now you can find the difference, right? From this list, and this list, everything is stored in one string. So this is the beauty of using the flat maps. So flat map operation has the effect of applying a one-to-many transformation to the elements of the stream and then flattening the resulting elements into a new stream. So this will create a new stream and we are going to print that stream. And instead of using this item.stream, we can also use the other way. So we can make use of collectors and also we can make use of the collectors for this purpose. Thank you. Please subscribe and share and also like my video if you found it helpful. Thank you.